Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Vocabulary of letter F. 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 Capital letter F. Small letter F. F is for falcon. 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 F is for fan. 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 F is for fish. 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 F is for fingers. 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 F is for fire. 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 F is for firefly. 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 F is for floor. 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 F is for four. 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 F is for food. 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 F is for fly. 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 F is for flute. 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 F is for frog. 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 F is for fruits. 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 F is for flamingo. 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 F is for feeder. 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 F is for frying pan. Frying pan. Frying pan. F is for fridge. 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 F is for frog. 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 F is for fox. 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 F is for fairy. Fairy. Fairy.